This is HYDTHC. First we can set alter. If we normal cutting, we set normal. We set normal alter. If we set on alter, and the other setting is no use. Okay. And this one we press menu for 3 seconds, and we enter it. P1 means add setting. Add setting. Add setting is according to the thickness of the working piece. And we press set to enter it. And it is because we will cutting thickness is about 4 mm, so we set it 124. Of course we can change it, okay? And enter it. This is P1, and we can. This is P2. P2 is means piercing time. It's piercing delay. We can usually we set 0. Set 0 is okay. Enter. And P3, it is IHS height. This IHS height means piercing height. Because we will cutting thickness 4 mm, so we set it about 10 is okay. Enter. So this is a function of the menu. Okay, press it to come back. This is one. This one 我按一下，让你找那了。This is piercing height. Piercing height. Piercing. This function is according to the thickness of your cutting. If your thickness is very thick, so you need to set it bigger. Now we will cutting 4 mm thickness, so we can set it 10. It means the torch. 我从这说吧。This means the torch to the working piece is about 4 or 5 mm. 4 or 5 mm is okay. Okay, now we will use Starfire. Now we will cut something sheets. First we change to sheet, and we can cut a square. 这个简单 square. We cut square. We set parameter here. Apply. And OK. And we make condition. We move our torch to the proper position. And we clear coordinate. This one, enter. And then this is X and Y to 0. And alter, view. This is the square we just set. View again. And we can test it. Test X. Test and press here. If we think the position is okay, we can cut it. And first we need to change the speed, the working speed. 6 solid is too fast for 4 mm, so we slower it. Of course, we can press F. Same function. 3 定在哪儿了？solid, enter and enter. So the working piece is 3 solid. 不清楚哈。 Okay, after we set the parameter and we set the arc value, after we set IHS heat, we can work. Press here.